in this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you fix Outlook account not recognized or can't sign in issue. Let's get started. First, double check the email address you are entering. It sounds obvious, but even a small typo using the wrong domain like .com instead of .net can trigger the account not recognized message. Also, make sure you are signing in with the correct Microsoft account, especially if you have multiple emails. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also, you can restart your router if needed. Next up, check your device settings. Go to Settings, General, Date and Time. Make sure you have toggle on for the option set automatically. Next, clear cache for the app. For that, head back, go to iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find Outlook and launch it. Click on Offload app and confirm it. If you're using in the desktop, clear cached credentials or remove the account from Windows. If you're connected to VPN, you will need to disable it. These can interfere with Microsoft login system and cause your account to appear unrecognized. Next, completely delete Outlook from your device and reinstall it. If nothing works, try signing in directly through the Microsoft website. Launch your preferred browser, head over to the official website of Microsoft, provide your credentials and try to log in. And that's it. Following these steps will fix account not recognized or can't sign in issue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.